Hello guys, how are you? I know you are Bala also. I am also Bala Asin. Today I come to the Ranihat Bazaar for doing some bazaar for Aragorolai. When I gumutun uti, my mother told me Dagorot hono bazar nai. Kihabi loyagui. So I come to Ranihat Bazaar and buy one khatal mas. And I know my mother don't cut the khatal mas. That's why I am hadafalite the khatal mas. The mas hadar is so perfector durmaille fire farfedor. He is duodui gori harifalaye di hatal mas. And I also buy some fabdamas and fufamas. The end of my bazaar, I back to the gorot. Today I eat rice with hatal mas. You guys don't gusha. One day I will invite everybody and habayum hatal mas. Till then, tata, bye bye, see you in my forward video.